How to build muscle for teenagers. During adolescence, many people start to care about their appearance. Especially men start to build muscle in order to look better. In this video, I will explain step by step what teenagers need to know to build muscle. Thus, you will be able to achieve the physique of your dreams by building muscle in the fastest way without wasting any time by avoiding possible mistakes you may make. Before you start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for new videos every day about muscle building. Those who want to build muscle during adolescence are usually very skinny boys. If you are one of them, you must first admit that this is a long journey. If you work regularly and continuously, it will not be difficult to reach the body you want. Step 1. Get enough calories. The metabolism of a skinny adolescent is quite fast. So even if you eat more food than your peers, you cannot gain weight. During this period, you may be saying, "I cannot gain weight no matter how much I eat." I have good news and bad news for you. The bad news is you are not actually eating enough. The good news is you can change that and gain weight. First of all, you should learn your daily calorie needs from the internet. Your calorie needs depend on your activity level and body fat percentage. Considering that you also need to lift weights to build muscle, you will need to eat quite a lot of calories. Besides, since you want to gain weight, you will need to eat even more calories. Eating 250 to 300 calories more than the amount of calories you burn each day will allow you to build muscle without getting fat. Step 2. Get enough protein. You have to make sure you're getting enough protein to add muscle mass to your body. Proteins are what will grow your muscles. Remember, the most important thing is the number of calories you take. If you're eating less calories than you need, you won't be able to build muscle, no matter how much protein you eat. Once you are sure that you are getting enough calories, you should also get the amount of protein you need. Your daily protein requirement is 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. You should eat at least this amount of protein every day. Eating much more protein than this amount will not speed up the process. But for the best results, you should not go below this amount. Step 3. Lift weights. To build muscle, you have to strain your muscles against a resistance. When you try to gain weight by not training at all, you will only gain fat. Even if you don't mind getting fat because you want to gain weight right now, the fat you gain without building muscle will only make you look worse. Weight training 3 times a week is ideal for beginners. You can work this way for the first 6 to 12 months. Following a full body training program allows you to gain muscle and strength faster. With a full body program, you train your muscles more often, and this is better for beginners. You don't need any isolation exercises at this stage. Compound exercises are more efficient for building muscle. You get stronger faster with compound exercises. Even if you don't do isolation exercises for the first year, you won't lose anything. Step 4. Pay attention to your sleep. You have to go to bed before midnight. To build muscle, you must have a healthy hormone balance. It is very important to sleep before midnight, not only for building muscle, but for your general health. Try not to sleep for less than 6 to 8 hours a day. Step 5. Consistency is the most important thing. Even if you do everything right, if you stop going to the gym after 1 month or if you start not paying attention to the number of calories you eat, you won't get any results. If you consistently do what you have to do for at least 3 months, you will start to see results. After this stage, you will continue to train more motivated. It will become very enjoyable after you have the body of your dreams. Instead of constantly focusing on the results, try to enjoy what you do every day. This will make the process much more fun for you. Good luck!